Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmate. Today I'm going to talk about how to make natural vanilla and oat soap. The oat extract will be the product in charge of filling the vanilla oat soap with benefits for the skin. This extract stands out for the moisturizing and antioxidant properties, so it can be used daily to wash the face, hands and body.
These are the ingredients we need to make vanilla oat soap in home. White glycerin-based soap, 400 grams. Extract of oats, 35 grams. Aromatic essence of vanilla. Soap coloring. Soap mold, alcohol and oats. The steps that we are going to follow are: first, we cut 100 grams of white glycerin soap and heat in the microwave for 10 minutes. After that, we add 10 grams of oat extract and a few drops of aromatic essence, and we mix very well. Meanwhile, we add a little food coloring to the mixture. Then we put a little alcohol in a container and put the mixture in the container with a little oats. Finally, we wait for it to dry and we mold it.
I recommend make natural soap because it is a good option to stop the pollution nature and have a better clean environment. Plus, it helps us to take care of our skin because of the properties the oils have.